Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. Right from this Shopify page, you are going down to the left-hand side over here. You'll see apps and there's an add button. It's going to click on add. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see discover more in the Shopify app store. And you're going to click on that and you'll be redirected to the Shopify app store officially. You can go ahead in the search bar right at the top. You're going to go and dial in WhatsApp button. Now you will see quite a few options. Of course, you need to choose one that will work for you. They are all different. They have different features, different advantages, different settings. The one that I would like to use in this example is the ease WhatsApp button. So go and click on it. Click on install right over here on the left hand side. You can also see that there is a sufficient amount of information as to what it can do, how it works, and how it can actually benefit you. Here you will just click on install. So let's go and click on install. You'll just give access to view your personal data and also view and edit store data. You will now see that you'll land on this page. It's the WhatsApp button dashboard. And here you can simply add your WhatsApp number. And then you will go down over here. There are some updates and some additional features. You can also go and click on view settings over here on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and click on that. You can now also change a bunch of settings in terms of how it actually displays, what it looks like on desktop versus mobile, and so forth. Here are all the different settings. You can also change the button size, color, placement, and so forth. And once you're done, you can actually start using it immediately.